Welcome back. As a part of this video, we'll understand reports and visualization testing. Output testing is the final stage where data is delivered through reports, dashboards, or analytics. Final yet very important stage. All our work in terms of data testing will be visualized as a part of the dashboards. In case, as a developer, as a tester, if we have done anything wrong in the previous stages, then it is essential to ensure that the final output is accurate and reliable for effective decision making. So this is the final stage. The quality of the output depends on the quality maintained throughout the previous stages like ingestion, storage, and processing. In case if we have done anything wrong in the ingestion, anything wrong in the storage and processing, the output will not be correct. So we have to do a good job in the ingestion, storage, and processing. Okay. Any issues in the earlier stages will directly impact on the final output. As a part of the data visualization testing, we'll be verifying the data is accurately represented in the graphical format, whether it is easy to understand and analyze the reports. Here, the most important aspect is whether the visualization is correct or not, whether the visualization is consistent with the data and it meets the requirements. A report testing involves whether the reports are generated correctly, accurately, and in a timely manner. Many aspects should be done as a part of the report testing. Some of the important aspects are whether the quality of the data represented is proper or not, the format which is specified in the requirement proper or not, and calculations and computations, very important. Okay. So sometimes what happens is when you are trying to represent the things in report, you also end up doing some computations as a part of the Power BI or a Tableau desktop. So those calculations are done properly or not, that also need to be tested. And usability also is one of the important aspect of the report testing. Wonderful then. We understood the report testing. Thank you.